Welcome, Jerome. What do you see?
A hospital.
And what is the last thing you remember?
A needle going into my arm.
Very good. The rescue was successful. All your memories are intact.
Did they fuck up? And who the hell are you?
You have a healing team here, and I am team leader. The confusion you experience is normal. The hospital illusion you have chosen is commendable. It will help prepare you for your reassignment journey.
What's that supposed to mean? Another death row? Where?
Take a deep breath. The confusion is quite normal. You have been locked away from your world for many years. Much has changed. Earth as you know it is extinct. It has been freed from the darkness and entered a new dimension. The light has won. You were given punishment under laws that no longer exist. New opportunities are available to you.
I don't understand. Where am I going?
Only humans with vibrations of peace and love remain. Those with sound bodies are to be assessed for reassignment. A request was made for your assessment. You have been chosen for this.
Like I died, and this is judgment?
You did not die. You have your body, the place you go when you dream. You are safe. This is not punishment.
So I can go walk around?
You have constructed this illusion. When you're ready for it to change, it will. But we are getting ahead of ourselves. Sleep is when the team can do the most profound healing. So my advice is to rest.
But you said my body was good. That's why I was rescued.
It is not your body that needs healing. It is your hardened heart.
Hello? The fuck? I didn't hear you come in.
A little trick. We do not need doors. As you requested, it is a nutritious liquid, excellent for hydrating.
But I didn't
We
request.
see thoughts. Another trick.
How do I get out there?
Describe to me what you see.
A garden, flowers, lots of colors. Isn't that what you see?
Two beings can look at the same thing and see differently. It is like you're saying, beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
It's been a while since I've been in a garden.
You have seen beauty and created an admirable desire. You can go to the garden at any time, but you must find the path. Everyone has a different path, and no one can find the path for you.
I don't get it. His path, no path, your own path. There's a word for this. Bullshit.
We hope the beverage is delicious.
Tastes like chicken. It's a joke.
We love jokes. Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know.
To get to the side where humans do not eat chickens.
It's pretty good. I'll probably steal it.
That is not stealing. That is flattery.
At first, someone telling me I didn't steal something.
If you could talk to someone who had found their path and they explained how they did it, would that help you?
Maybe.
Excellent. It is a win-win. I must tell her that you have accepted the invitation.
Her? A woman? A human?
She is the one that requested your rescue. You know her.
Well, I'm not so sure about this.
She is on the way.
I changed my mind.
You have opened a door that cannot be closed.
You set me up.
Just keep thinking about the garden.
Who are you looking for?
Jerome? It's Nadia. Please, please open the door.
Nadia. No way. I got tricked into this.
I'm here to help you. They wouldn't have let us meet unless it was in your best interest.
Last time I saw you, you were screaming at a judge about how evil I was, that the best thing to do was kill me.
You killed Johnny. I wanted you dead. That anger led me to extreme despair. I overdosed because I hated myself. It's the same as mine. And the view, the same as mine. A waterfall.
You see a waterfall?
The water is clean and invigorating. I can stand under it for hours.
You found your path to your waterfall?
When I got here, and I would think about Johnny, I could feel him like before you.
Lucky you. I never felt that.
I blamed myself as much as you for his death. I realized hate is no more than a way of thinking. And I quit thinking that way. All I want is love. And to be under my waterfall. I have no need to hate you.
Hate comes pretty easy to me.
I hope you find your path, Jerome. With all my heart.
It is time for rest.
She says it's about thoughts.
And choice. Choose the thought that feels most like the garden.
My chest feels heavy.
That is to be expected. The team has done as much healing as possible with your current experience. It is time for your reassignment.
You're shipping me out?
So to speak, but it will be a place that is familiar to you.
Is there any prisons where I'm going?
Only a self-imposed prison caused by fear. I will sit with you through the transition. You are never alone.
Jerome! Wake up! Jerome! We made it through! There's a waterfall here. Come on!
Nadia?
Come on, Jerome!
Nadia! Nadia, I'm sorry. Nadia! Wait!